My name's Travis Albert. I'm owner of Royalty Welding Metal Fabrications. I'm also have a nonprofit organization called Building Better Futures, BR. I've been a pipe welder for about 12 years. Went to school for that, worked in the plants, and about 3 years ago, I decided to open my own business. I knew I had a trade. I started my business. It was very successful. A year after that, the East Baton Rouge Parish School System called me, and they said that they were starting a welding program at Broadmoor High. They wanted me to run it, so I come 2 days out the week to Broadmoor High, certified kids, NCCR certified kids for 2 hours. After that, man, I did that for 2 years, and a lot of people kept passing by my shop or asking to learn how to weld, and I knew it was really big. It was in demand.